Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong ay ktiyan ka Trinamool Congress sakyat gokale ulawer yung Symbud Menteri Rangba uba Prestone tansong siya kajing Ïatai Halor kajing bambiang ka Synshar ka Khadar ha Meghalaya bar kajing lab jong ka TMC Symbud kajing duna ha kajing trekam ka Sorkar MDA ha kashithi ba ula pha siya uba tansong mentagasngi ugokale ulaong bahabay kilat patay kubor kilakalin uba tansong Halor kimat kibawla penpaw lakade Halor ka Shillong Smart City Limited bat kajing kalam ka dum jong kayang dorbar tawan bathamai hamau diang uba tansong uklem la banjubab AA henry ula suong balada ugo khali usngokya hadu kata ude banwan sha Shillong nakaliang ugo khali ula ong bauladan ha Shillong la arbanai tam bar ula yu I daki khamat ye kajing bambiang ka Synshar ka Khadar bar kajing duko ha kajing trekam Halor kite kimat ki baula kdaw ula pentip sha uba tansong ba un sawan biang sha Shillong ha kini ki khendiat sngi ula ai jingmut yo Symbud Menteri Rangba bandon ke jing Ïatai nia bat uha Shillong hakmat kilat patai kubor Halor kimat ki jura ki bayade ba jing bambiang ka Synshar ka Khadar ugo khali ula ai jingmut ba kanu ka sngi ha katayo baningkong jong banai risau arhajar arpuar unlong uba kloy ban Ïatai nia bat uba Prestone ula kermenru ba uba Prestone un pediang sngobhaya kani ka jing terwa.
Who's that General Secretary guy? I don't want to. I don't want to. If he wants, if he wants, let him come to Shillong. Find out things. No. Why should we? Why should only just because of that statement? When I talk about the smart city Shillong Limited, he said blah 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 blah. So, but ultimately everything is there, black and white. So these people means they are just trying to create confusion for the political mileage. But everything is in paper. So why not? I will also ask him his Calcutta Smart City Limited. Tell me when was the statement of account filed? Let him tell me when was filed, because they started from 2016 and we started from 2018-19.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.